This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, FEM, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Program name is BBA LLB, second semester. Course name Business Mathematics, and session of today is Permutation and Combination. Overview. The study of permutation and combination is concerned with determining the number of different way of arranging and selecting object out of the given number of object without actual listing them. There are some basic counting techniques which will be useful in determining the number of different way of arranging or selecting objects. Fundamental principle of counting is the rule for finding the number of possible outcome will be states that if an event has m possible outcomes and another independent event has n possible outcomes, then they are m into n, m times n possible outcomes of two events together. It means two events takes place simultaneously, first m times and second n times, then total way will be m into n. Fundamental counting principle. Let us start with a simple example. A student is to flip a coin 6 times. How many possible outcomes will be there? 1h, 2h, 3h, 4h, 5h. 1t, 2t, 3t, 4t, 5t and 6t. If one student flip a coin 6 times, then the possible outcomes will be these 12. It means 6 times into 2 possibilities. One coin has 2 possibilities, either head or tail. 6 coin, then the number of base will be 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Fundamental counting principle is how many possible outcomes can you make from the clothing item listing below. Shirts, red, white, black, there is 3 shirts. Pant, jeans and khakis, there is only 2 pants. And shoes, tennis, brown and flip top. So all possible outcomes will be 3 into 2 into 3 is equal to 18. There are 18 output combination possible. Permutation. A permutation is an arrangement of object in a defined object. To find the number of permutation of n times, we can use the fundamental counting principle or factorial notation to find the number of ordered arrangement of permutation of n total items chosen are at a time. The notation for the number of r permutation PNR, or in another word it can represent NPR, or NPR is equal to factorial of n upon factorial of n minus r, or factorial function is factorial n is equal to n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 dot 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 up to 3, 2 and 1. Permutation example given here. N is equal to 8, R is equal to 6. Then NPR. Here it is very important, N is always greater than equal to the R. So solution of NPR, it means 8PR is equal to, putting in the formula, factorial n upon factorial n minus r will be factorial 8 upon factorial 8 minus 6. It means factorial 8 upon factorial 2. Factorial 8 will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and multiplying all 8 numbers will be 40320, and factorial 2 will be 2 into 1, that will be 2. After dividing by 2 we get 20160. Or in putting in the formula is NPR is equal to factorial n upon n minus r. By next question will be, from a club of 24 members, 5 members have to be appointed as president, vice president, secretary, treasurer and historian are to be elected. In how many way can the office be filled? We have to select 5 out of 24. Here n is equal to 24 and r is equal to 5. So NPR is equal to 24p5. But in the putting into the formula, factorial n upon factorial r is equal to factorial 24 upon 24 minus 5 factorial. After calculating we get 24 factorial upon 19 factorial. So expanding 24 factorial is 24 into 23 into 22 into 21 into 20 into 19 factorial. It is because 19 factorial is in the denominator, so chain is stopped in factorial 19, and 19 factorial is cancel, and after cancellation we multiplied 24, 23, 22, 21 and 20 and getting 5100,480. These are all possible ways. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.